Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're taking you on a wild ride to discover the 15 most extreme homes on Earth. We're talking cliffhangers, underwater bedrooms, and houses barely wider than a doorway. Get ready to have your mind blown by the wildest feats of architecture ever built. Let's kick things off in Australia with a house that's literally hanging over the ocean. The cliff house in Australia is bolted to the side of a cliff suspended over crashing waves. You enter from the top and descend through 5 glass-walled levels, each with jaw-dropping ocean views. Inspired by barnacles clinging to a ship, it's a masterpiece for thrill-seekers with nerves of steel. Would you dare to live here? Next, Casa Brutale in Greece is carved straight into a cliff, invisible from above. Its roof is a glass-bottomed pool, so sunlight shimmers through water into the living space below. The front is a massive glass wall overlooking the Aegean Sea, like a supervillain's lair, brutal, bold, and absolutely unforgettable. Villa Vals in Switzerland is hidden inside a mountain slope blending seamlessly with the Alps. You enter through a tunnel from a nearby barn and emerge into a modern sunlit villa. The huge glass facade opens to breathtaking mountain views. It's the ultimate stealth luxury hideaway. The Keret house in Warsaw is squeezed between 2 buildings and only 4 feet wide at its widest point. It's a livable art installation, tiny kitchen, bathroom, and a loft bed you reach by ladder. Designed for writers, it's a symbol of creativity in the tightest urban spaces. Claustrophobic? Maybe. Ingenious? Absolutely. In Tokyo, the transparent house is made almost entirely of glass. Walls, floors, everything. There's zero privacy, but it's a radical experiment in open living and connection. Inspired by tree branches, each glass box is a different room. Would you live your life on display for the world to see? In New Zealand, the Hobbiton homes bring Middle-earth to life. These cozy hillside houses with round doors and lush gardens are now real guest accommodations. It's a magical escape straight out of a fantasy. Dubai's floating Seahorse villas are part boat, part luxury home with underwater bedrooms. Lie in bed and watch marine life swim past your window, your own private aquarium. 3 levels, sun deck, living area, and a submerged master suite. Peak luxury with a price tag to match. The upside-down house flips reality. Roof on the ground, foundation in the air. Inside, you walk on the ceiling with furniture bolted above your head. It's a mind-bending tourist attraction and a hilarious photo op. The world turned literally upside down. Every winter, Sweden's Icehotel is sculpted from blocks of river ice. Sleep on beds of ice, surrounded by stunning frozen art and glowing sculptures. Each suite melts away in spring, only to be rebuilt with a new design next year. It's a fleeting, magical experience, if you can handle the cold. In Serbia, a tiny wooden cabin perches alone on a rock in the middle of the Drina River. Built by swimmers in the 1960s, it survived floods and storms for decades. No electricity, no internet, just pure isolation and nature. The ultimate off-grid escape. The Flintstones house in California looks straight out of bedrock. Bright domes, wild colors, and dinosaur sculptures. Built with experimental concrete domes, it's a playful, prehistoric oddity in a wealthy suburb. Love it or hate it, it's pure fun. Earthships in New Mexico are radical eco-homes built from recycled tires, bottles, and earth. They generate their own power, collect rainwater, and grow food indoors. No heating or AC needed, even in the desert. It's extreme, sustainable living at its finest. The Mirrorcube in Sweden's Treehotel is a mirrored box suspended in the forest nearly invisible among the trees. One-way glass gives you panoramic views while keeping you hidden. Reach it by rope bridge and sleep surrounded by nature. It's a sci-fi hideout in the woods. Casa do Penedo in Portugal is built between 4 massive boulders, blending perfectly with the landscape. Rustic inside and out, it's like a real-life Stone Age retreat. Once candlelit, now a tourist magnet. It's rugged, magical, and totally unique. In Las Vegas, a luxury home lies 26 feet underground, built as a Cold War bunker. Step inside and you're in a 1970s time capsule, complete with a fake backyard and painted sky. Designed for a year of underground living, it's both fascinating and eerie. The most extreme fallout shelter ever built. That's our tour of the world's most extreme homes, from cliffside marvels to underwater villas and hidden mountain retreats. Which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more wild adventures. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. See you next time.